everyone, and welcome back to the channel. This is Ieasha of Ieasha Designed It, and today we're going to be talking about what is a template and how a template can help you when it comes to sublimation. So I was telling you about number 5. All right, so another thing I'm going to talk about before I go in and show you some of the templates is if you're using Canva, templates become very easy. So I'm going to talk to you a little bit about Canva. I have some videos on my website where I have shown you about Canva and talked to you a little bit about Canva, and I'm going to be linking those also, so make sure you go and check them out. But Canva lets you save, copy, customize any template. I have had that question before about Canva, and it say, when you create something in Canva, can you save it? It's automatically saved. When you create a design in Canva, it's automatically saved. I used to think that when I first started too, because I was like, where is the save button? Because a lot of times when you create something, you have to save it, but in Canva, it's automatically saved. So Canva lets you save it, copy, and customize any template. When it comes to customizing it, you can go in now, you can go to elements, you can go and upload your own pictures. You can do a lot. So, you know, that's why I love creating in Canva, because it's beginner friendly. And you don't have to be an expert. You don't have to be an expert. You don't have to have a college degree. You don't have to have a graphic designer degree. You don't have to have any of that. It's beginner friendly. All right, so even if you never designed a thing in your life, Canva is amazing and will have you looking like a professional in no time. All right, so let's keep it moving. All right, so now we're going to talk about beginner mistakes that can be made without using a template. And one of those mistakes are crooked or off-center names. So if you don't use a template, then a lot of times when you're a beginner, you will have crooked letters, off-center names, names that are too big. They go off the paper. It won't fit on the t-shirt. You will have so many mistakes that you are making because you did not use a template. And when you're a beginner, you don't know these things. So it's best to use a template. Another thing is fonts that are too small or too hard to read. Now you have to really know how to size your fonts. Fonts are very important when it comes to creating. I know sometimes, you know, it's hard to kind of tell what different sizes you need, but that's where practice come in at. But when you go and get a template, it's already there. It's already sized for you. So you don't have to worry about doing that. All right, another thing is designs that don't fit the shirt or cup correctly. Like I was talking about before, you may have a design that goes off the shirt. You know, it won't fit the shirt, or it won't fit the way that your customer wanted to fit. Or you may have when you're doing tumblers, you may have a 20-ounce tumbler, but you may make it big and it's supposed to fit a 30-ounce tumbler, but you are creating a 20-ounce tumbler. Now it's too big, and when you go to cut it, you cut your design. So now you're frustrated and you pretty much have quit because you made a mistake. But if you go ahead and get the tumbler templates, you won't have to worry about that, because it helps you when it comes to creating 20-ounce tumbler, 30-ounce tumbler, 40-ounce, or whatever size tumbler that you have. All right, another thing is wasted sublimation paper and ink. Y'all, let me tell you about wasting sublimation paper and ink. When I started, y'all, when I was a beginner, I wasted so much paper. I wasted so much paper. I wasted so much ink. I wasted so many t-shirts because I was learning. I didn't know much about templates back then. So now I know about templates. I know to go and get me a template if I need to. Even though I know how to design in Canva and make my own designs, I still go and purchase templates. So when you go and purchase a template, you don't have to worry about that waste, because the template is there for you to go ahead and make what you need to make. Spending hours designing one product. Y'all, let me tell you about that, because everything I'm telling you, I have done. When I first started learning how to design in Canva, y'all, I'm telling you, I was doing this right here. I was spending hours learning how to design. I was spending hours trying to do one design. One design. And I was to the point I got frustrated, because I understand that you get frustrated when you don't know how to do something, or when you think you know how to do something and you do it and it don't turn out right. So you want to quit, you want to give up, but you can't. You have to keep going. But I'm going to tell you right now, if you're a beginner and you just not learning, go grab you a template. Go over to my website, grab that template. If you don't even go to my website, go to somebody's website. I am not going to go to somebody's website and get you a template. I have templates on my website. I'm continuing to add them, but make sure you get a template and create those t-shirts, create those tumblers, so that you will not have to waste all of this, the t-shirts, the paper, the ink, all of those things. Okay. And make sure while you grabbing those templates, you go over to my website and grab my Sublimation for Beginners ebook, because that is going to help you. It's going to help you. I know a lot of people still are doing sublimation. You still learning about sublimation, because sublimation is something that you want to do. So I'm here to tell you, because we're talking about templates today, and I want you to win. Okay. I want you to learn. I want you to grow, because that's what we are here to do together. Learn and grow together. All right, so let's keep it moving. Templates fix all of that. You can go from overwhelmed to confident, because I'm confident, y'all. I'm confident in my ability to design in Canva. Am I still learning? Yes. Am I perfect? No, nor do I try to be. I don't believe in no perfect person. I'm going to tell you that now. I don't believe in that. Now, some people believe in perfection or whatever. Okay, I'm just going to be real with you. I don't believe nobody is perfect. And if you have somebody tell you that they're perfect, you need to run. Like, literally get out of there. Because people are not perfect. We're human. We're still learning. We're still growing. We still make mistakes. Mistakes can happen and mistakes can be corrected. But perfection, that means you've conquered everything. You don't have to learn. You don't have to grow, and you don't make mistakes. I don't know nobody who's perfect. People still make mistakes. Okay. Everyday life. If you're human and you live and you make a mistake. Okay. But I'm not going to get into that, because I start preaching and I don't want to do that. Okay. So, all right. So what we're going to do now, I'm going to go over to my website and I'm going to show you the different things that I told you about, the all over templates, the all over t-shirt templates, center print templates, and all those things, because we're going to go ahead and end this video. So let's go to my website. All right, y'all. So let's go over to my website at IeashaDesigned.com. Go ahead and hit enter. So as you come into, my website, of course, you will see my name right here. Now, I am in the process of redesigning my website. So you may see this, or you may see it already redesigned. But either way, when you come in here, we're going to go over to where it says Shop Collections. We're going to go down to where it says Digital Template Downloads. I'm going to click it. All right, we're going to say the digital products. Okay, so we're going to go on down to the templates. And so when you come into the templates, you will see these templates right here. So these are the templates that I have on my website. I have the graduation diploma template and pillow covers bundle. I have this graduation, this is the graduation t-shirt template right here. Okay, so come on down. And what I was telling you about drag and drop, now this is what you call drag and drop right here. Do you see the way it looks? It says dad. This was a dad design that I had for Father's Day over on my website. And all you have to do with this design is drag and drop. So all you have to do is take your child's picture. Take the child's picture, drag it over into each of the little letters right here, and it will form you a drag and drop template right here. Okay, or a mock-up. Okay, so here are the water bottle templates that I have, and as I was showing you, let me see if I can zoom you in a little bit so I can show you. All right, so what I was telling you about taking out the let's see. When I was telling you about taking out the pictures, all you have to do is take out the picture. See, this is my daughter. All you have to do is take out her picture. Let me move. Okay. Take out her picture. Place your picture. You may want to change the word in here. You may want to change the background color. But guess what? That's simple and easy to do. Class of 2025, even though she didn't graduate in 2025, she graduated almost, like I said, I think it was like 4 years ago. All you have to do is just take this out and put class of 2026. You don't even have to change the whole 2020, the 2025. Just go right here to the 5 and change it to a 6. Change it to a 7. Change it to an 8. Whatever the number may be, all you have to do is just change that ending number. And then you have what you need. You don't have to go and change the entire thing. Okay, so let's keep it moving. Let's see what else. Okay, so... oh, yeah, I don't want to click on it. Okay, so let's move on down. Here we go. We have the chill bag templates. Okay, this is the chill bag right here. All you have to do is go in here. Even if the color is the same that your customer want, okay, you don't want nothing with my daughter with this name on it. You don't want one with my daughter's picture on it. All you have to do is, you see how this picture is, each one of these pictures? All you have to do is memorize it here. If you want 3 pictures, if you only want 2 pictures, just put 2 pictures in here and then you can, it's yours. Okay, create it like that. You don't have to change the entire thing here. Just go to the 5, change it to a 6, change it to a 7, change it to an 8, change it to a 9. And when it gets to be 2030, you will have to change these 2 letters here to 30. But the remainder of it stay the same. That's why I said templates are amazing to use. Again, here is another drag and drop template right here where it says Dad, Father's Day. Now this is a Tumblr template. If you did not see where I made my husband his dad template, dad Tumblr, make sure you check that video out also, because I came in here and I used this exact drag and drop template to make my husband's Tumblr. This is a 20 ounce. So like I said, it just depends on the template, the Tumblr that you're using. Let's keep it moving. Okay, so there's another one. Now this one here, I think I have dad and granddad on here. Okay, let's go on over here. Now this is a mock-up bundle. So what a mock-up bundle is, we're going to be talking about that also, but I'm just going to tell you a little bit about it. It's still, it's still, it's still where you can use it, but a mock-up is where you can show your customer. Just say, for instance, you purchased this right here, this mock-up, this graduation mock-up bundle. You can actually show your customers how everything is going to look just like this on a Tumblr, how it's going to look on a vest, how it's going to look on a grad cap, how it's going to look on a pillow, how it's going to look on a flag, how it's going to, I still see people wearing masks, how it's going to look on a mask, or how it's going to look on a keychain. You can show your customer how their picture that they want of their loved one is going to look. But make sure when you do a mock-up or you send a mock-up to your customer, this is a tip that I'm going to give you. Make sure you use your, make sure you watermark it. And what that is just put your business name on it. Okay. Mine, I think it's mine. Yeah, mine is here. It says Ieasha designed it. And make it where you still can see it. But you don't want it to distract from the actual mock-up. You don't want it to your customer to get distracted just looking at it. So make it opaque enough that it won't show up too much. But I should have, you can make it dark or you can make it light, but just make sure you use your watermark. All right, so let's just keep it moving here. Let's go on down to another one. All right, now here's another one that I have. This is the party favor mock-up bundle. Again, the mock-up is where you can show your customer. This is a chill bag, a party box, a water bottle, a Hershey bar, a Pringles can, Rice Krispie, Caprice, a juice pouch, a gift bag. You have all different things here that you can do, and you can show it to your customer. All you have to do is just drop their picture or whatever it is that they want. You can send it to your customer. Again, like I said, drag and drop. And if you can see here, Ieasha designed it. That's a watermark. Make sure you put your watermarks on there before you send them to your customers. All right, another thing I want to show you here is the ebook that I was telling you about, Sublimation for Beginners. And y'all, this is a game changer for you, especially for beginners. Now it's only $12.95. I do $12.95, y'all, and it's worth so much more than that. So make sure you go and grab it. Come on here, grab you some templates. I will be adding more templates here on my website. I will be redoing my website and adding more things to it. So I just wanted to show you that. Okay, now what I'm going to do right quick, I'm going to go over to Canva and just show you some of the things when it comes to all over t-shirts also. All right, y'all, so when I was telling you about the all over t-shirts, this is what an all over t-shirt looks like. Now with all of our birthdays are coming up next month, so this is what I'm going to be doing for my twins. So y'all, this is absolutely amazing. If you did not see, I did an all over t-shirt a while back, and I just got started. That was my very first all over t-shirt, and it's just where I got started. But this is a template for an all over t-shirt. This is the way it looks, just in case you've never seen it before. Our birthdays are coming up soon, so I am working on doing this for my twins. Okay. All right, y'all, so I hope that you have enjoyed this video. I didn't want to make this video too long, but I always like to make sure that I give you the information that you need, because like I said before, we're here to learn and grow together. And I just want you to be able to know the difference of sublimation, which is in my other video, as well as what is a template, because that's very, very important when it comes to sublimation and creating your designs. To go grab a template and just use those templates over and over and over and over again. All right, so make sure you like this video, leave me a comment in the comment section, make sure you share this video with your family, friends, and anyone who needs to hear what I am saying so they can learn also. Subscribe to the channel, because y'all, I will be back. Make sure you go over to my website right here at IeashaDesignIt.com. Remember, I am redoing my website, and I am going to be adding so many other things to my website. I do have the templates over there for you to go and grab some right now. Make sure you go and grab my ebook. It is available for you, and I know that it will help you in so many ways. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you all have a blessed day. Be safe, and I will see y'all in my next video. Peace.